Four ways to build credit if you have no credit history. Number one, become an authorized user. Whether it be a family member, your mom, dad, brother, sister, ask someone to let you become an authorized user on their credit card. Number two, apply for secure credit cards. You might want to put about $500 down and apply for a secure credit card. Number three, apply for a secure loan. Put $1,000 down on this. I request put $1,000 down because after you build a good credit history with this, that's where your credit going to take a drastic change. And number four, apply and get auto loan from a buy here, pay here that reports to the credit bureau. Using these 4 tips alone will help you greatly increase your credit if you don't have any credit at all.